Why you should harness the power of chat for textual endeavors. In the realm of text-based tasks, chat stands as a transformative ally, capable of navigating a diverse range of challenges with remarkable prowess. Let me guide you through the compelling reasons. To embrace ChatGPT for an array of text-related endeavors. Table of contents crafting for books. ChatGPT effortlessly takes on the task of generating a comprehensive table of contents for books, providing a structured and organized roadmap for your readers. Text rewriting mastery. Rewriting content becomes a seamless and efficient process with ChatGPT, ensuring clarity, coherence, and uniqueness in your written material. Concise text summarization. Dive into the world of summarization with ChatGPT, where lengthy texts are distilled into clear and concise summaries, saving time and enhancing understanding. Clear and precise step-by-step instructions. Experience the simplicity of crafting step-by-step instructions with ChatGPT, making complex processes accessible and user-friendly. Coding assistance. For both novice and seasoned coders, ChatGPT serves as a valuable companion, aiding in the creation of new code and refining existing snippets with ease. Effortless arithmetic operations. Tackle basic arithmetic effortlessly with ChatGPT, transforming it into a versatile tool for quick calculations. Creative songwriting. Unleash your musical creativity as ChatGPT assists in the composition of engaging and imaginative song lyrics, providing inspiration at your fingertips. Narrative excellence. Storytelling becomes an art form with chat, offering the ability to craft compelling and diverse narratives, elevating your storytelling endeavors. Scenario exploration from articles. Transforming articles into alternate scenarios becomes an engaging and creative exercise with ChatGPT, fostering a fresh perspective on existing content. Persuasive advertising copy. Elevate your marketing strategies. By utilizing chat to generate persuasive and tailored advertising copy for websites, brochures, and various promotional materials. In conclusion, ChatGPT emerges as a multifaceted tool, seamlessly adapting to an array of text-centric tasks. Whether you're a writer, coder, marketer, or storyteller, ChatGPT empowers you to navigate the intricacies of language with efficiency and creativity. Embrace the future of text interaction with ChatGPT as your trusted companion. Language translation and meaning analysis. ChatGPT excels in multilingual language translation, providing impressive performance and offers deep analysis of the meaning behind texts. Community and collaboration opportunities. ChatGPT serves as an ideal tool for contributing to text-based collaborative and community-building projects, supporting idea sharing and development processes. Academic writing support. Navigate the complexities of academic writing with ChatGPT, which can assist in formulating coherent and well-structured essays, research papers, and other scholarly content. Resume and content editing. Perfect your professional image by leveraging ChatGPT for editing resumes, cover letters, and other career-related documents to ensure clarity and impact. Content ideation for blogs and articles. Overcome writer's block with ChatGPT, as it generates creative ideas and outlines for blog posts and articles, sparking inspiration for engaging and informative content. Legal document drafting. Enhance your legal writing process with ChatGPT, which can help draft clear and concise legal documents, ensuring precision and adherence to legal language. Language learning assistance. Utilize ChatGPT as a language learning companion, receiving assistance in grammar, vocabulary, and conversational practice, enhancing your language skills. Interactive conversational agent. Engage in dynamic and informative conversations with ChatGPT, turning it into an interactive agent that responds to queries, providing information, and fostering dialogue. Content personalization. Tailor content for specific audiences, using ChatGPT's ability to understand and adapt to different tones, styles, and preferences. ensuring a personalized user experience. Script writing for videos and podcasts. Elevate your multimedia projects by employing ChatGPT to assist in script writing for videos and podcasts. Facilitating the creation of captivating and compelling content. Research paper generation. Speed up the research process by utilizing ChatGPT to assist in generating content for research papers. Providing valuable insights and supporting documentation. Social media content creation. Enhance your social media presence with ChatGPT, which can generate engaging and shareable content ideas for platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Email drafting and response. Streamline your email communication by employing ChatGPT to draft emails or responses, ensuring clarity, professionalism, and a personalized touch. Curriculum vitae CV enhancement. Elevate your professional profile by using ChatGPT to enhance your CV, highlighting key skills, experiences, and achievements for potential employers. Poetry composition. Dive into the world of poetic expression, as ChatGPT aids in crafting evocative and expressive poetry, offering a unique and creative outlet for your emotions. Business report summarization. Save time in corporate environments by leveraging ChatGPT to summarize lengthy business reports, distilling key information for quick and efficient decision-making. Quiz and exam question generation. Facilitate the creation of quizzes and exam questions with ChatGPT, ensuring a diverse range of well-formulated queries to assess knowledge and understanding. Dialogue and character development. Utilize ChatGPT to aid in creating authentic and engaging dialogues, as well as developing well-rounded characters for your creative writing projects.